I am Punyakirti Bayal. Welcome to my new Generative AI learning series Python for Generative AI. Today we are learning Python typing system, that is static versus dynamic typing. So let's start with introduction. Python is known for being intuitive and flexible. One reason is dynamic typing. To understand this better, let's compare static typing versus dynamic typing. So what is static typing or where we use this? Static typing used in languages like Java, C, Go. The type of the variable is known at compile time. That is, whenever we use that variable or when we create that variable, there only you must declare the type before using it. So what is example? Int score is equal to 10. Here score is a variable and we are specifying it's an integer type and assigning the value 10. So score can only store the integers. If you assign a wrong type, for example string, the compiler catches the error before running. So what is the advantages? Errors are caught early during the compile time itself. Better performance at runtime, no need to check types. Then what is the disadvantage? It feels restrictive, slows down development, extra type declaration are needed. So let's start with dynamic typing in Python. Python variables don't need to type declarations. The type is decided at runtime. When the value is assigned, then itself the type will be decided. So for example, I am taking this example and I will print here. So I am using collab and here score is equal to 10 and print score is equal to type of score I am using. So this is like score variable is assigned with 10 and I am printing the score value and its type. When I run this, it is trying to connect as it is a first run and we are waiting for the output. Now 10 is the value and its type is int. Now what I will do, I will reassigning to a string. Same thing. Now this is in Python, value of and its type is string. Same variable name with different type of values we are passing. Automatically the dynamic typing will help us to understand the type of the value when we assign itself. Okay, that is called dynamic typing. So advantages: faster development, no type declarations are needed, very flexible and beginner friendly. Disadvantage: runtime bugs, wrong type errors only show up when running the code, harder to debug in large projects. Okay, so this is what dynamic typing we covered. Now we have to go for annotations in Python. Python introduced type hints called annotations to reduce bugs. They don't enforce types, but tools IDs can catch them mistakes immediately. So let's take this example. So I'm defining a function. Okay, in the future we can see that one. I'm defining a function x colon int, y colon int. So it is an integer type we have to pass and return x plus y. So I'm running this one. It is compiled well because we are defining a function. Now when we are calling a function, I'm taking this one, and when I try to call, so after this function I'm calling this one. Now we are calling a function with parameters 3 comma 5. 3 is x value and y value is 5. So when I run, automatically it works fine. But what I will do, I will change print add, but it is 3 is enclosed with double quotes. Now it will be string and 5 will be int. When I tried that one, so what we will get, error detected by the linters, not Python itself. Okay, the meaning is this is not by the Python it is handled, but this will be handled by the Python interpreter which is trying to do that one. So automatically it will find it is an error we have and all we can find. So summary we can try. Summary we can go through that one. Static typing. What we learned in this video is static typing catches errors early, faster at runtime, slows down the development. Dynamic typing, it is in Python, flexible, fast to code. Errors appear only at runtime. Type annotations, middle ground, flexibility plus error detection, helpful for larger projects. So this static and dynamic typing we have covered in this video. This is very basic for Python to understand. Thank you very much. This is one of the video from Python for Generative AI. I am Punyakirti. Let's learn together. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe.